Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change capital letters to lowercase in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document with some text in capital letters. Now I change these capital letters to lowercase. At first I have to select this text, then go to format menu. Now you can see here are text option and go to end of this text option. Now click this capitalization option and you can see here are lowercase. Just press this lowercase. Now you can see I changed capital letters to lowercase in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.